Input devices. Input device convert the input data or instruction to the computer understandable format. That means electronic signals. So data and instruction are fed to the computer using input device. Type of input devices. Commonly we have 5 types: keyboard, pointing devices, imaging and video input devices, scanner, microphone. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most simplest electromechanical input device. It enables user to provide textual data, numerical data, and also control instructions. It is a peripheral device that is the most basic way for the user to communicate with computers. It consists of multiple keys which create numbers, symbol and letters, and also special keys like Windows key and Alt key, including the performing other functions. Pointing devices. Pointing device is a hardware input device that allows to the user to move graphical user interface operating system. Using pointing device, you can point at or manipulate any object or text on the screen. So pointing device, you could point at and select an icon from a list of icons. Examples: mouse, touchpad, trackball, joystick. Mouse is a basic pointing device. There are 2 types: mechanical mouse, optical mouse. Mechanical mouse is a computer mouse containing metal or rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is rolled any directions, sensor inside the mouse detect the motions and move the on-screen mouse pointer accordingly. Optical mouse, a mouse that uses light to detect the movement. They work by emitting light from LED or laser, and CMOS sensor detect the light reflections as the mouse is moved. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device commonly used computer games which can move the cursor. Touchscreen. This is the input and output device, modern computers and mobile phones. Data is fed by touching the screen. It also acts a pointing device. Light pen. Light pen is used to select the menu items on the screen or draw or write on the screen. This is a mostly used computer aided designs. A light pen is a light sensitive used in conjunction with a CRT monitor. Imaging and video input devices. So first one is digital camera. A digital camera is an input device that capture images and videos digitally. That means input photographs and videos to the computer. Second one, webcam. Webcam is a real-time camera whose images can be accessed using the internet or video calling applications. It is positioned on the top of the laptop monitor and for the desktop computer can be connected externally. CCTV. The images or videos captured by the cameras are fed as an input to the computers, commonly used to maintain the road safety and the security of premises. Scanners. Flatbed scanners. Flatbed scanner is an optical scanner which make use of flat surface for scanning document. The scanned image or document is captured by the laser beams and converted to digital data. So the scanned pictures or document can be served in the computer. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is a hardware input device which capable of reading a barcode using a laser. It can also load the detail of the product or log information about the product into the database. So barcode is converted to an alphanumeric value by the barcode reader and is fed to the computer connected to it. MICR magnetic ink character recognition. This means the technology used to verify the bank check. So MICR commonly use verify the bank check. So MICR check the string of characters that appear on the bottom left side of the check. It consists of 3 group of numbers including the bank routing numbers, account numbers and check number. OCR device. This device used to capture text in document and also edit the captured text in the document. So which is used for convert a hard copy of document into an electronic versions. OMR device, which is an input device which recognize the marks made using a pencil or pen. So commonly used check forms filled in pen or pencil or correct MCQ papers of any other exams. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. That means microphone is used to feed the sound to computer. Thank you. Next video we learn output devices.